say take my hand, follow me, I'm out for.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be like revamping my bathroom up a little bit, just doing something different. So this is how it currently looks. Yes, really plain. And I'm like, I feel like I need a little color cuz what is this? What is this? You know? So it was time to change it. And I got most of these items from the Dollar Tree, so it's very affordable. These two pictures, I got them from the Dollar Tree. One's gonna be for my upstairs bathroom and one's gonna be for my guest bathroom. And if you're wondering, yes, I'm gonna talk through the whole thing. Only because I got a lot to say though, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay, so anyways, both of these pictures came from the Dollar Tree, and I was like, what? I didn't even know the Dollar Tree had pictures like this, like real cute. And when you move to the side, look, it's gold. I was like, yes, I need this for my bathroom. I would love to look at this. So this little set was like $27. I got it from Walmart. It come with 17 pieces. Yes, they include the little rods. I wish they didn't include those in the 17 pieces because I don't know. I just didn't like that. I feel like they could have added something else. But it sounds better having 17 pieces. Whatever. I also got these little flower arrangements because I want to add some colors to my bathroom and I love flowers. Cannot keep them alive, so I always go for the fake flowers at the Dollar Tree. And they are really, really affordable. And you will be amazed how just seeing flowers, just seeing colors will change your mood. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go to the next thing. So I also got a vase from the Dollar Tree and this little soap dispensary, but is it called dispensary? Dispenser, soap dispenser. I also got this shower liner from the Dollar Tree, and I actually didn't even end up using that soap dispenser for upstairs. I ended up using it downstairs. So what I'm gonna do now is just start off by taking the old shower liner down. It's just like a designed liner. It's not a curtain, but yeah, I'm just gonna take it down, ball that up, and throw that baby away because she is of no use no more. So we're just gonna go ahead and add her to the dumpster, the community dumpster. Okay, yes ma'am. So I'm showing y'all the shower liner again just to let y'all know what I'm finna do. I'm gonna unwrap it. For this, I didn't have to worry about buying any more shower hooks. I guess that's what they're called, because they came in the little 17-piece shabago thing that I got from Walmart. So I didn't have to worry about that, okay? Right. So now this was a little challenging to get out. Why? I do not know. I'm like, did they put glue on this? Like, had me really, really questioning it. And the same thing for this. Whatever tape they used on this was really hard because I was like, dang, am I going to have to go get some scissors? But this is how, it should look. Now, let me stop myself right here. Because I was wanting to add color, right? But I was being so impatient and I was tired of seeing that blue squiggly line, that bluish greenish squiggly line. And I wanted to change my shower rod in my bathroom, right? So I just feel like I should have went with a more colorful shower curtain. But this is going to work for now. And as time go by, I'm pretty sure I'll change it in 2 months to something more brighter because it will be, springtime. And I love the spring and I love the colors. So on the making it brighter part, I kind of sort of failed at this part, but it was still really, really cute, really nice, really elegant. I was feeling it. Now, the older I get, the more I realize reading is very fundamental. I had to read this, the instructions on how to hook this little thing, because it was a little bit challenging for your girl. But guess what? She knew how to read and she read how to do it and figured it out. That's all that matters. So after that, I was like, you know what? The smartest way to do this is to hook the liner on at the same time as I hook the curtain on, you know? So that's what I did, and I just went ahead and clipped it on the shower rod, and yeah, that's about it. But it was really easy to install. It's really light. It's not heavy. I really like that it's I have a curtain and a liner now. I feel like just a little bit more, of an adult now that I have the curtain and the liner and not just the liner. Who does just the liner? Not me. No more, okay? But this is really cute. And yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the relaxing feel of it. Just a side note, yes, I was definitely moving this fast. It's a superpower that I was born with. So now I have this really cute soap holder. I actually don't use this because this only fit on the outside of my shower, and I like to put like my soap and stuff on the inside of my shower, and I do use like shower gels and stuff like that. So I just put that there for decorations. But it's a really cute decoration, right? The set also came with this really cute rug. I like the rug. It was really soft. I like how it went with the shower curtain and the rest of the decorations. The only thing that I did not like about this floor mat, I guess you would call it shower mat, is that it was so small. Like, I did not like that. So now on to the flowers. I got all of these flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna, play with it to see how I want it. And this is really like how I kind of see how I want to, I guess, design. I don't even know the right word, but how I want to organize my flowers. I just kind of like randomly put them together, take them apart, put them together, just try to see like something real natural and cute. So this is how these ended up turning out. I actually ended up switching flowers because I was like, you know what, this is too much yellow, and I just did not like the way it flowed with the picture. And for me, I want everything to flow. But this is a really cute flower arrangement. Like I said, from the Dollar Tree, flowers will last forever. I'm not good at keeping flowers alive, so I just choose this little route. All right, y'all. So I really liked how I arranged that flower arrangement. But onto this soap dispenser. What I like to do first is just go ahead and do like a pre-rinse of my soap dispenser before I actually put my soap in it, just to get any like last minute germs or whatever out of it. And yeah, so after I do that, I go ahead and put my actual soap inside of my dispenser. Now, I got my soap from the Dollar Tree, and it's like a big bottle of soap like this, of hand soap, and I just put it in my little dispenser downstairs, and then my upstairs soap dispensers. So it's lasted a long time. I like doing it this way. This has probably lasted me, I've probably had this like 2 months now, maybe less than 2 months, maybe like a month and a half. Yeah. So it's lasting a pretty good amount of time. So yeah. After cleaning up the mess I I made. I just went ahead and completed the mission, put the top back on it, and put it in its designated spot. Now this toothbrush dispenser, it's really cute too, but to be honest, I don't brush my teeth in my upstairs bathroom. I do it in my downstairs bathroom because it's really like, it's so much more convenient when getting myself ready and my son ready for the day when we are mostly downstairs. So I just put it in our downstairs bathroom. Now I'm going to change my picture out. I've had this picture on my bathroom wall since I moved in. So about a year. It says mindset is everything. I really enjoyed this picture. And now I'm just going to put up my new picture that I got from the Dollar Tree, like I stated before. And yeah, it was given. Now, as you can see, I have like little mirror butterflies on my wall. I got those from Timu. Yes, ma'am. And they are very durable. They're on the wall and have not came off yet. So yeah, this is how my wall is looking. I really love this painting. My favorite part about the painting is like it has these little gold, little, I guess, designs added to it, and it just does something else to the painting. This is my flower arrangement that we're just gonna come back around to the flower arrangement because it just wasn't flowing the way I wanted it to flow with my painting, so I had to switch it up. But everything else looked really nice. I'm gonna leave this up for about 2 to 3 months and change it because it's just not enough color for me, but it is cute. Now you see how it's not flowing, like the flowers were not flowing with the pictures. So I did this arrangement. So as you can see, added something else to it, made everything flow better. Yeah, that's basically it for this video, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.